Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between a list view and grid view app menu on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then scroll down to the bottom of the list or grid app menu and tap Grid View or List View. You can also change this setting in the Settings app. To do this, tap the Settings cog to open the settings, and then scroll down and tap App View. Here you can switch between List View and Grid View. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.